Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in human rights sentiment, with a score of -0.60 and a momentum of +1.07, which is a notable shift from our historical baseline. This negative sentiment, combined with rising momentum, indicates a growing urgency around human rights issues that you can leverage in your applications. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, providing you with a nuanced understanding of the current discourse, broken down into 18 semantic clusters. Imagine you're building a news aggregator or a social media dashboard. You can use this data to highlight stories that reflect the shifting sentiment, allowing users to stay informed about urgent human rights developments in real time. To explore this data further, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of the conversation around human rights together.